All right, no story to this one, just solve it. Okay, so look and focus on the variable. What is bothering it is a times a 9 over 2, which is really a negative 9 over 2. That negative gets attached to it. And then we have a negative 10 quantity to it. So again, we kind of do this, like this is the second thing we'll do, and this is the first thing we're going to get rid of. So you kind of focus on the variable and expand out. So first thing, get rid of that 10. And you didn't get rid of this negative here, so you still have negative 9 over 2x. 80 plus 10 is 90. And I'm happy to share this in two different ways, but to get rid of a decimal, to get rid of a fraction, you can multiply by its reciprocal. So we'll multiply by negative 2 over 9, and then over here we'll multiply by negative 2 over 9. Okay, that's going to get, like 2 times 9 is 18, and 9 times 2 is 18. We'll get like 18 over 18, which is 1. So we're really just going to be left with 1x, right? So just so you can see what was going on there. And then that's going to be greater than 90 times a negative point. So you're going to get about 20. You're going to get negative 20. Okay? And so that's one way you can do it, multiply by reciprocal. When we get to that point, negative 9 over 2x over 90, you could do this in 2 steps. So what we see is the bottom is divide by 2, so we can multiply by negative 2 and multiply by negative 2. Remember, when you're multiplying divided by a negative, that's going to switch our sign. But we're going to get negative, negative. That's just going to leave us with 9x's. And we're going to have negative 80 over here. And then we divide by 9 and divide by 9. You're going to get x equals negative, or x is... Oh, I forgot to switch my sign. So I had to switch my sign this way, and I have to switch my sign this way. And I forgot that over here too. Okay, but when we were multiplying by a negative, I need to switch that sign. So x must be greater than negative 20, and we get the same thing when you do it in a two-step process.